Hello, Bec D here from Bec D Transformation. So I've just put together a little grounding meditation for you. I'm going to do most of it lying on the ground so I can recharge myself and encourage you to seek out connection with the earth to recharge yourself on a daily basis. And I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please do like and follow me on Facebook, Bec D Transformation. And you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Bec D Transformation. I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Thanks again. So hello, here I'll be lying on the ground and just taking you on a journey into yourself, into the earth, and hopefully creating some healing for you. So wherever you might be, just stretching out and lying on the earth if that's comfortable for you. And just taking some really lovely deep breaths now, in through the nose and out through the mouth. And as you lie here on the earth, just allow yourself to feel connection to Mother Earth, who looks after us, who supports us, who seeks to connect with us, and who seeks to heal us. So allow your body to just open up to receiving the healing energies from the earth. If you would just imagine lying on the earth and just becoming one with the earth, just slowly allowing your body to sink into the earth, becoming one with the earth, becoming one with the mother of all creation. Just allowing your body to be replenished and be healed. So as you lie here, just imagine now that your body is actually sinking past the soil. For me, I'm lying on the grass, so imagining my body sinking past the grass, into the soil below, into the next layer, which would be the fill on this block that I'm on, and then below that would be a clay layer, and just imagine yourself going through the layers of the earth, all the while supported, feeling completely safe, completely supported by Mother Earth all around you. As you allow your consciousness to sink lower and lower and lower through the layers, into the rock layer. Just imagine the ease of your energetic body, your physical body, being supported by the earth and lowering down and lowering down and lowering down ever so slowly through the layers of the earth, through the rock layer, through the water table, and none of this harms you. You're completely supported, like you're in a bubble. Mother Earth is embracing you with her love, with her arms, with the warmth of her, and coming down and down and down through the layers. And you start to feel nice and warm and cocooned as we approach the fiery core of the earth. We're not in the fiery core, we're suspended above it, completely protected, completely nurtured, completely looked after. Allow yourself to receive the warmth and the nurturing of Mother Earth, her beauty, her presence, her healing energy. Allow yourself to be restored by Mother Earth, energizing every cell of your body, every atom, every neutron, every electron, every proton, recharging you enveloping you in warmth and comfort and safety. Just imagine hovering here, completely covered in a bubble. Everything within your body, allow it to be at ease. Just allow your cells to be replenished with the energy of the earth. Allow yourself to be contributed to by Mother Earth. Allow yourself to be rebuilt and transformed by the energetic magnitude of this healing. Allow yourself to receive the blessings from Mother Earth, the beauty, the nature of Mother Earth, wanting to contribute to us, wanting to be such a big part of our lives. And the busyness that surrounds us separates us from Mother Earth. We don't walk barefoot upon her as much as we used to. Our shoes insulate us from her. So this is a perfect time during this meditation to really connect. Allow your body to receive in entirety. Allow your body to receive the healing, the transformation, the regeneration, the restoration. And just while we're here, just want you to bring up into your mind's eye anything that might have been worrying you, might have been on your mind, might have been robbing you of your sleep, might have consumed your thoughts. Just bring it up just for recognition, not to relive it, just in your mind's eye for recognition. And as you do this, I invite you to let it go. Just let it go, let it fall away from your body. Let it fall away from your mind. Let it fall away from the bubble that you're in, the protective, warm, nurturing bubble. Allow it to fall away and fall away and fall away down into the molten core of Mother Earth. Allow her to burn it up, transmute it, convert it to sustainable energy. Allow her to transmute it and send it on to be used in a positive way. Everything is just energy. Our thoughts are just energy. They're just a vibration. So I invite you to allow all of the vibrations that cause you grief, cause you sorrow, cause you distress, cause you worry, cause you anxiety. Just allow them now in this very safe place to fall away, to fall away, to fall away. Allow them to be stripped from your body. Allow the healing, beautiful, contributory energy of Mother Earth to envelope you, to replace that which you're allowing to fall away, to replace it with vibrance, with energy, with love, with compassion, with happiness, with joy, with ease. Allow Mother Earth to restore you. Just allow Mother Earth to restore you in this safe, warm, nurturing place. Just allow her to restore you. Just take some time now just to breathe in this beautiful, gentle, loving vibration you're encapsulated in the warmth of her bosom, in the warmth of her layers, in the warmth of her energy. Allow her to replenish you, breathing in her healing, her magnetic energy, restoring every cell of your body, every cell of your being. Allow it to replenish you now in this place, safe, completely safe from all that's outside of you, everything that might interrupt you. Just allow yourself to be replenished here. replenished and restored, built up anew, built up fresh, built up vibrant, built up with joy and happiness, peace and contentment, wholeness, health and healing. Just allow yourself to receive that. Allow yourself to receive that. I invite you to receive all that Mother Earth has for you, to feel her presence, to feel her energy, to feel her vibration, to feel her love for you, her desire to connect with you more often, to be a part of your world, to restore you and to heal you in every moment of every day. Just breathing in this restoration now, breathing it in, allowing it to resonate through every cell of your body, every part of your being. Allow yourself to receive it. Just allow yourself to receive it. In this place, in this safe, sacred place. Allow yourself to receive it. Just allow yourself to receive it. I invite you to receive it. The beauty, the sanctuary, the safety, the peace, the calmness, the rebuilding from the very core of your being, the very core of your essence, your vibration itself. Allow yourself to be rebuilt in this place, in this time. And just take some moments now to receive whatever personal messages may come to you, whatever awarenesses may come to you, whatever Mother Earth might be wanting and desiring to share with you, to contribute to you, whatever ways she's seeking to build you up and restore you. Just take some moments to yourself. Even pause this here right now if that's what you desire. You can spend some more time in communion with her. And whenever you're ready, just starting to become aware of your bubble again, of your body in this restorative, peaceful bubble. And just getting in touch with your renewed sense of well-being, your renewed sense of energy, the renewed sense of ease in your body. Just allow yourself to become connected to the new place that Mother Earth has taken you to during this short meditation. Allow yourself to receive this new place, this new healing, this new resonance within your cells. And ever so slowly, we're going to work back up through the layers, working back up through the layers, saying goodbye to Mother Earth's womb, the warmth of her womb, and just moving back up through the layers, just ever so slowly, ever so slowly, ever so slowly, coming up through the water table, coming up through the rock layer, coming up through the clay layer, coming up through the landfill, coming up through the soil, coming up back into our physical bodies, placed here on the grass or the floor or wherever you may be, just coming back into your body just ever so slowly and allowing yourself to feel its new vibration, this new clarity, it's new space, the healing that has occurred, the beauty of the healing of the earth for you, available freely to you whenever you choose it. And you may choose to come back to this video time and time again. You may choose to play this and just lie on the earth with your eyes closed and allow it to take you to a deeper place each time, a deeper place within you, whenever you should choose it, whenever you're available, whenever you have time, whenever you're willing to give yourself the time to rebuild and replenish yourself. I just breathe in this new energy, this light, this love, this beauty. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, Bec D Transformation, my new YouTube channel. You can follow me on Facebook at Bec D Transformation. Thanks again for your time. Hope you enjoyed this short, brief meditation to restore you to Mother Earth, recharge you, and bless you with a great day. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye for now.